Hey Still Hearts, how y'all doing? This is Jada Lynn. Welcome to In the Raw. This is a channel where we discuss narcissism, what it sounds like, what it looks like, and what it is up close and personal in your face. All right, now, so I wanted to discuss, just come in real quick and talk about how the narc can smear your name with the new supply. Or it don't have to be the new supply. It could be a flying monkey or, you know, a family member or whatever, but whoever. I want to give a more closer look, and don't think that it has to start after the narc either discarded you or you discarded the narc. This smear campaign can happen at any given time, probably when the narc is bored, but that's probably when it's going to happen. But either way, it can start, you know, whenever it starts. You guys can be in a long relationship and it just all of a sudden, not all of a sudden, but it could have started like 3 years ago and y'all was in a relationship for 6 years. Like, do you hear what I mean? But my thing is that you ever have gone around the narc's friends, family, and one of them, two of them or whatever, got an attitude with you. You don't know what the heck you done did. And you like, well, why they got an attitude? It's probably because the narc done said something to them that just flat out wasn't true. And that's just how it goes. And now they looking at you, they're changing their thoughts about you, and they're probably like, oh, well, why are you dealing with all of this and da-da-da-da-da. Whatever, that's just how it goes. But I want to give you a close-up look of what it sounds like and what it looks like, okay, when it is up close and personal in your face. Just pay attention. This is what it sounds like. Say like the narc is sitting with let's say a family member, the new supply, or a best friend of theirs, and you guys are no longer together anymore, and they ask, hey, listen, whatever happened between you and so and so? I'm telling you, man, I really loved her. I really cared about her. She was really smart. She had so much potential. But she wouldn't get a job. Every time she always needed money. And when I couldn't give money, she'd get angry with me and just bullied me around, just said things that just made me feel bad about not giving her money. And whenever I take her to the grocery store, I think she wants me to take her to the grocery store to go get something, but she really wants me to take her to the grocery store to pay for something. And she didn't tell me that. She just left that out. So when we go to the grocery store, you know, I'm taking care of everything at the checkout line. She didn't offer anything. She just stood back and let me pay for everything. Listen, man, I just couldn't deal with it anymore. That is what it sounds like. Now, what the person that they're talking to don't know is that they're talking about themselves. They completely switched everything around that they did and put it on you. That's what they don't know. Do you hear what I'm saying? That's exactly what they don't know. Now, what do you think that they're going to do? The person that they were talking to, that person can very well run into you at a grocery store or at a party or whatever. And they tell you they had a conversation with so-and-so. And they tell you some of the things that the narc said. And you start getting upset. You start getting angry. Don't do that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Because at that point in time, in that moment, you are now confirming everything that the narc said to be true. Because remember, they said you used to get angry, you used to bully them around, you used to this and that. And now look at you. You're getting angry. You're getting upset. You all out of your element now. Don't do it. No. You cannot punch him in the face. No, you cannot go run their behind over and like a speed bump in the road. You cannot do that. What you can do is go gray rock. Watch your emotions, because at the end of the day, the narc always gets called out. The position that they put you in, they will be in it themselves. You got to stay cool, all right? I wanted to come in and check in and say that real quick and let y'all know what it looked like. Hang tough, y'all. I know y'all want to just squeeze the heck out of somebody right now, but don't do it. That time is going to come, and it's going to end up happening to them, and you're going to hear about it, and you're going to be like, oh well. Go Gray Rock. Mind your business. Mind your emotions. You're going to be all right. You got this, all right? Because you my still heart. All right now. I'll see you in the next video.